Hey guys, what's up? This is Theo here. Welcome back to lesson 4 here on Free Code Camp, JavaScript algorithms and data structure certification. We're on ES6. We're starting with creating strings using template literals. It's basically a template string using backticks, so we can add on new lines without having to worry about skipping the lines or adding the concatenation, the plus sign. So what we want to go ahead and do basically is use template literal syntax with backticks to display each entry of the result object's failure. Okay, so each entry should be wrapped inside an li element. Okay, so what we basically want to do is, what do we want to do here? Should return. Okay, so what we want to do is take in this array and then just give it backticks, and basically we can just, this is basically all we want right here. Let me just take this and then we'll just grab this, get rid of that, format that, run that. That's basically all we want right there. Let's see. Make sure we got our backticks correct. We don't need any of these. Don't need that. Don't need that. There we go. Let's go ahead and run this. And is it let's do every, and then let's see. Very containing result failure messages. Okay, so what we actually want here is this. Let's go ahead and run this, and should return text warning. Let's see. Result failure message. Okay, so I think actually what we can do here is do, here we can do, we're going to do this, we're going to do result.map, result.map r, and what we're going to do here is basically just say, we can do this, we can do result.map r, and it's just going to be li class equals r, and then li, and then we're going to put r in here too, and then we just log out what we have. So logs, sorry, this will be console. Let me just check what this is in the console right here. Run this. And run this real quick and see what we're getting. Map R. Result display array here. And let's see, why are we not getting anything? Display each entry of the result object's failure array. Oh, okay. So we want result.failure.map r, and then we want basically this class to just be text warning. There we go. Cool. Next up, we're going to use simple fields. Basically, we are going to create and return a person object. What we can go ahead and do here is just change these out to be name, age, and gender. And let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. Number 3, const-type declarative functions. Refactor the function set gear inside the bicycle object to use the shorthand syntax. So with ES6, we can just change this to be like that. Alright, and basically we'll just say new gear is not defined. We're going to put in new gear instead of our function. There we go. 4, class syntax to define a constructor. So what we're going to do here is just a class keyword to write proper constructor for vegetable. And what we can do here is basically change this out to what's vegetable, and here we can say vegetable should be a class defined within a structure. So we'll say class vegetable constructor. We'll say name, and we'll just say this.name equals name, and then we'll go ahead and run that. There we go. Number 5, getters and setters. That's pretty cool. We can sort of create these sort of private sort of functions inside of here in a sense. So use class keyword to create a thermostat class. So what we're going to do here is change this to be class of thermostat. We're going to take a constructor, and then we're going to take a temperature. We're going to say this.temperature equals temperature. And then we're going to have here I think that's it, right? There we go. That's it, guys, for lesson 5. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Next up, we'll be learning about the differences between import and require. So, as always, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Go check out the links in the description for course on React and JavaScript. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.